questions based on puzzles, or you can say matrix puzzles, okay, something like Sudoku format puzzles, okay, or you can also call them games format question. We'll see one such question today in today's class. That's it. There is no theory about it. So games question basically do not have any concept. They can give you questions on any type of game, right? It can be a virtual game as well, which you have never heard of before. So the only way to solve it is be attentive, be careful, be focused, read all the information provided, try to understand what it says and use the same to answer the questions. Okay, so let's see one such question. Okay, so this is the problem. You and your friend play a board game. The board has 16 different pieces. Okay, the board has 15 squares, 16 squares, 4 by 4. So the board looks something like this. Okay, this is a board, a 4 by 4 board, which have 16 boxes. Okay, and these 16 boxes are to be filled by 16 different shapes. So read the information about the game, how you can win the game and all those things. Read it, try to understand what is provided. Let me know once you're done reading. I'll show you the diagram. Is the information visible? So in this game, what is given? There are two friends who are playing the game, and there are two things you have to do in the game. You have to, the piece that you're placing on the board is not chosen by you. It is chosen by your friend. Okay. So in the first chance, whoever have the first chance, the person will give you a piece to place. Okay. When it's your turn, you place that piece on the board somewhere, and you give another piece. You choose another piece and give it to your opponent to place. So these are the two things that's happening. Okay, so each turn consists of two actions: placing the piece on the board, okay, placing the piece on the board which is given to you by your friend, and number two, choosing a piece for your opponent to be placed in the next move. So these are the two things that's happening. And how do you win the game? You win the game if in any row or column you are the last one to place a piece such that in that row either you have all small pieces, all big pieces, all square, all circle, all piece with hole, all piece without hole, or what are the other characteristics? All red or all blue. ठीक है, इन 8 में से ओनली कोई एक कैरेक्टर जो है वो सेम होना चाहिए एंटायर रो या कॉलम के लिए, तभी आप जीत पाओगे. ठीक है, जैसे कि आप देखो यहाँ पे स्टिल 3 more small pieces are left to be placed, P1, P5 या P6. So if your friend gives you any of these pieces, you can place them in B2 and win the game, because फिर इस पूरे कॉलम में सारे स्मॉल पीसेस हो जाएंगे तो आप जीत जाओगे. ठीक है, सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन विन. इसमें देखो ये लास्ट रो में तीनों ब्लू पीसेस है, तो अगर कोई भी बंदा यहाँ पे एक ब्लू पीस और प्लेस कर देता है इन तीनों में से तो वो जीत जाएगा. नाउ इज द इंफॉर्मेशन क्लियर? ऋषभ, is it clear now? Okay, so let's see the first question. If your friend gave you the piece P15, which position should you place the piece so that you are guaranteed a win? Assume both play intelligently. ठीक है, अगर आपको पीस P15 जो है ये रेड वाला पीस, रेड सर्कुलर हॉलो पीस, ये अगर आपको मिलता है तो आप इसको कहाँ प्लेस करोगे सो दैट आप जीत जाओ? ऑप्शंस देख लो, B5, B9 और B2. इनमें से कौन से बॉक्स में आप P15 को प्लेस करोगे सो दैट यू विन? और अगर कोई भी केस में नहीं विन कर पा रहे हो, यू हैव टू मार्क ऑप्शन 4. ट्राई इट. Okay, let's see. B2. If you place P15 on B2, how can you win? If you place P15 on B2, you will lose because see, take if you place this red piece here, next is your friend's turn and you will have to give your friend a piece, right? Now there are two options. You can give him a blue piece or a red piece. If you give him another red piece, कोई भी piece हो, छोटा बड़ा है ना, ये P1, 5, 11 में से आप अगर कोई भी piece अपने friend को दोगे P15 को B2 में रखने के बाद, तो वो क्या करेगा? वो उस piece को B3 में place कर देगा और वो जीत जाएगा और आप हार जाओगे, ठीक है? और अगर आप उसको रेड पीस नहीं देते हो, अगर आप उसको ये P6, 14 या 16 में से कोई ब्लू पीस दे देते हो, तो भी उसको वो B15 में प्लेस करेगा और वो जीत जाएगा. आप दोनों ही सिनेरियोज में हार रहे हो. Did you follow? The answer is not P2. The answer is not B2. If you check for B9, if you place this big red piece in B9, again, if you give your friend any big piece, तो वो उसको B5 में प्लेस करेगा और जीत जाएगा क्योंकि इसमें सारे बड़े पीसेस हैं अभी तक. और अगर आप उसको कोई छोटा पीस देते हो तो वो उसको B2 में प्लेस करेगा और जीत जाएगा. आप फिर से हार जाओगे. सेम अगर आप B5 में करते हो तो सेम चीज़ जो B9 के लिए एक्सप्लेन किया, सेम एक्सप्लेनेशन इज देयर फॉर B5. यानी कि इन ऑल द 3 केसेस यू विल लूज. द आंसर इज ऑप्शन 4. Clear? The answer is option 4. You will lose in all the above scenarios. Next question देखो. Next question में बोला है if in your next move you place P11 in B11, you are guaranteed a win in which of the following scenario. ठीक है, अगर आपने P11 को B11 में रखा है, ठीक है, this big red circle piece, if you place it in B11, then in which scenario will you win? You are guaranteed a win in which scenario? Give P1 to your friend, give P15 to your friend, give P14 to your friend, or again option D is you will lose in all the scenarios. Give P1, 14 or 15 to your friend. In which scenario can you win? आपको मिला था क्या था वो? P11. आपको मिला था P11, आपने उसको B11 में रख दिया. अब आपसे पूछा जा रहा है आप अपने फ्रेंड को क्या दोगे, P1, P14 या फिर P15, जिससे कि आपको guaranteed win मिले. That's the question. Solve it. Hi Aniket. Hi Rahul. Try the question. So if you've joined just now, you can go a little back on the video and check the question. What is the answer? Options are you can give your friend P1, P14 or P15. Options are give P1 to your friend to place, P15 to your friend to place, or P14 to your friend to place, or you will lose in all the above scenarios. Write the options here. P1, P14 or P15. Which one should you give to your friend to confirm a win? Okay, which of these pieces should you give to your friend to have a confirmed win if you were given P11 and you have placed it in B11? That's the question. B5 ये तो ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. P15 B option. Okay, let's see. So if you give P15 to your friend to place, that P15 is a red big piece. Alright, so your friend will have to place it somewhere, but he will not have an immediate win. Okay, suppose your friend places it here. Okay, you already have placed a big red piece here. If your friend places it here, then in the next chance your friend will have to give you either a big or a small piece and you will have a guaranteed win. Okay, but if you give him P14 to place, he will place it in B15 and win the game, all blue. Or if you give him P1 to place, he'll place it in B2 and win the game, all small. So in these two scenarios, you will definitely lose. But if you give P15 to your friend to place, you might win the game. The answer is option C. Correct. Next, whatever option it is. Okay, option B. P15 is option B. That's correct, Risha. Next question. Initially, there were 10 potential winning lines, right? How? There were 4 rows, 4 columns and 2 diagonals. There were 10 potential winning lines initially, but at this intermediate stage, you need to find out how many winning lines are possible. That's the question. The options are 4, 6, 7, 8. The options are 4, 6, 7, 8. How many winning lines are possible at this stage? What is the answer? So you can see this first column is still a winning line. अगर 2 बड़े pieces यहाँ पे रख दिए जाए P5 और P9 में, it can still act as a winning line. The second column is also a winning line. अगर यहाँ पे एक small piece रखा जाए तो अभी भी इस line से जीता जा सकते हैं. Third option is also a winning line, the third column. अगर यहाँ पे सारे बड़े pieces या फिर सारे red pieces रखे जाए, then still this line can be a winning line. Fourth one cannot be a winning line. क्यों? Because there is a small piece, a big piece, a red piece, a blue piece, a circle, a square, a piece with hole, without hole. सारे के सारे 8 characters जो है वो already उस line में present है. That's why fourth column is no longer a winning line. If we talk about the diagonal like this is also not a winning line, because we can see small, big, circle, square, red, blue, with hole, without hole, all the characteristics are present in this line. Okay, so till now we have got 3 winning lines. Column 1, 2, 3 are winning lines. Let's talk about the rows. What about row 1? It is still a winning line because it have 2 red pieces. Maybe if all other 2 pieces are also red, it's possible. In the next one, it is not possible because again we have circle, square, red, blue, with hole, without hole, small, big, everything, all the characteristics, so no. Next line is again a potential winning line. If all the red pieces or all the small pieces are placed, it's possible. And last line is also a winning line. Okay, if you place a blue here, you can win. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 winning lines still. The answer is option B. Last question. If you blundered and gave P14 to your friend to place and still did not lose the game, which of the following must have happened? Okay, in last case we didn't see this diagonal, but this diagonal is also not working. Okay, because we already have a small, big, blue, red, circle, square and with hole, without hole piece here. So अगर सारे 8 characteristics already present है, it means you cannot get a common characteristic between all of them. No. Okay, last question. If you blundered and gave P14 to your friend to place and you still did not lose, what did your friend do? You blundered and gave P14 to your friend. Why is that a blunder? Check that first. You gave P14 to your friend and still if you didn't lose, what would have happened? What will be the answer? Option A, your friend placed P14 on P4. If he would have done that, no, it's not even possible because already another piece is there on B4. Your friend did not place P14 on B15. Your friend placed P14 on B6. That is also not possible. There is already a piece on B6. So if I gave P14 to my friend, I would have lost if he would have placed P14 in B15, right? Then all the pieces in that line would have had blue pieces and he would have won. But if we didn't win, if I still did not lose the game, it means my friend did not place the piece on B15. This is what happened. Option B is the correct answer. All right. So that's it. We are done with the question. So you see that it was pure logical question. So that's what I was telling you. Questions on games cannot have any prior concept that can be taught. Okay, they are pure logical questions. You have to just solve them by reading the instructions and following them. Read instructions carefully and follow them. Okay, and questions from this topic can come in exam because as you know the pattern have changed quite a bit. They try to give you more logical problems rather than being more calculation intensive after the introduction of this on-screen calculator. Okay, that's why this is also an important topic for your CAT exam. Alright, that's it. If you want to have like if you like these online classes, if you like the way of learning in this format, then you can go for Unacademy Plus subscription. Unacademy Plus subscription, where your entire CAT plus other MBA entrance test preparation will be done online. Okay, in a structured way it will be taught. You will have classes like that scheduled from before, and you can join them. You can join the classes. If you by mistake, if you end up like if you have some work and you end up missing any class, you will get the recordings available. Okay, you can access them and watch the classes later, so you will actually not end up missing anything. Also in the subscription we have the mock, that is sectional as well, full length already included, so you don't have to go to other platforms to buy that also. Okay, and then we have separate doubt clarification classes, where we not only clear doubts of Unacademy content but also anywhere else you are practicing from. You can send in your doubt as a picture format and get your doubts cleared. So it's like a one all-round preparation on one platform. So you can think about it. Even the charges are not too high. You can see we have so many options: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and even 24 months. So for those who are preparing in advance for CAT 2021, and you can see the prices are not so high. Even for 2 years, it's just 21,000. And again, that is not the final price. You can get a flat 10% discount on using my referral code, which is riya.yt. You can see the prices have reduced by 10%, and also you can get up to further 10% off up to by using your Unacademy credits. So if you are already on the Unacademy learning app, if you are already viewing this free courses, then you might have collected some Unacademy learning credits. Those also you can use to get up to 10% more discount on this. So you can see it's only 15,750 for the year, in which your entire CAT, other MBA entrance exams, which are 10 to 12 exams after CAT, all those, everything will be covered, along with mocks, unlimited questions, unlimited content, unlimited guidance. Okay, also if you don't understand from one of the educators, you can choose another one. So it's up to you. You get access to all of 25 plus educators, and it's up to you whom do you choose to study from. Alright, even the timings are flexible. The classes starts from 7 a.m. in the morning and goes on till 1 a.m. at night. So whichever slot is preferable to you, you can attend in that one. Alright, then this is it. And today, one more thing, today we have a free scholarship test for you guys. You can go to the Unacademy learning app and enroll for that. Okay, and there are rewards for doing well in the test. So you'll get the percentile, the All India rank for the test, and also there are some benefits that the top 500 students are going to get. So top 1 to 10 will get a 1 year free subscription. 11 to 25 will get a 6 months worth of free subscription. 26 to 50 will get 3 months free, and 51 to 500 will get 1 month of free subscription. Okay, so do enroll for it now, and the test timing is from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. You will have to take the test live. The test is just for 1 hour 60 minutes and will have 30 questions from all 3 sections, 10 each. Alright, this is the information. Thank you. We'll end this class here. All the best.